My name is Bolarwa Akela. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and medical director of Osteon Clinics. Well, I had come back to Nigeria about 2017 after completing my orthopedic training in the UK. But I came back to work with one of the foremost private orthopedic hospitals in Nigeria, initially in Abuja, then in Lagos. Before I returned, I actually had this conflict in me. Is it the right thing to do? Is it not the right thing to do? And an experience, an incident occurred just before I made the transition that cemented that decision for me. I came visiting just as I used to come to Nigeria on a regular basis. And there was this patient that was rushed in to the emergency department with a really bad injury. I helped to resuscitate, and I asked, who is going to help you fix this injury? And they were like, no, we don't have anybody. I'm like, well, the whole of FCT said you don't have anybody. And this happens to be my area of specialization. So a visit became a working holiday. I was able to operate on the patient successfully, and that sort of cemented my decision to return to Nigeria. Osteon Clinics is a natural progression of that decision. We have people who need quality care. We don't have enough of it in Nigeria, and this is me. Osteon Clinics is one of those centers that has been set up to try to bridge the gap between the need of the people and accessing quality orthopedic care. So that's why I was that's what we're at Osteon Clinics. We're a surgical center with a primary focus on orthopedics and trauma. I am an orthopedic surgeon myself, a fellowship-trained orthopedic surgeon, and that is the primary focus of Osteon Clinics. So everything orthopedics, if we're talking children's orthopedics, we're talking any joint problems, we're talking about orthopedic spine problems, orthopedic cancer problems, fractures, anything that falls under the remit of orthopedics, bone and joint associated soft tissues, that is what we deal with orthopedics. But of course, orthopedics has other specialties that we work very closely with. Specialties like plastic surgery, like vascular surgery, and so we offer those services as well. We are, of course, a walk-in clinic like every clinic should be for outpatient primary care services with the typical malaria and the rest of it, but that's not our primary focus. Our primary focus is at the surgical center, primarily orthopedics and trauma. I believe sets Osteon Clinics apart is the constant dedication to making sure that the patients get the best possible care. So our sort of catchphrase, we don't really have the big mission statement, vision statement. Rather, Osteon Clinic has distilled its approach to 3 words: excellence, teamwork, and care. Which means that in everything we do, we want to make sure that both from the clinical and the non-clinical aspects, both in the way we approach you and the way you interact with us, we want to make sure that everything we're offering is of an excellent standard and of an excellent quality. We also want to make sure that within our team, within our workers, within our staff, there is a very strong cohesion, because if there is no proper teamwork, things will begin to break down very quickly. So it's very important to us that our staff, our team work together very, very, very well. And of course, the last bit is care. We want to make sure that by the time you come to us, the experience you have and how we make you feel is that you have been well cared for. So excellence, teamwork, care. That is what I believe sets us apart That's what I believe should be the goals and the standards of any healthcare institution, and that's what we're about at Osteon Clinics. But in addition to that, we also ensure that whoever is looking after you, whichever specialist is looking after you, are specialists who are very competent in their areas of specialties. So you feel whether Nigerian, whether they come from abroad, it doesn't really matter. We work with both in-country and international experts. Whoever it is that is working with you at Osteon Clinic, we want to give you that badge of confidence and quality that you are in great hands. And that's what I believe Osteon Clinic is about. Advice is come right in. Come right in. You will not be disappointed. Come right in and experience the excellent quality, the fantastic teamwork, and the robust care that we are able to offer you as our patients, as a client, as somebody who wants to seek services with us. And we have lots of testimonials to bear us witness. So come right in. Let's have a conversation. Let's see you. Let's look after you. Let's care for you.